Hi friends, today we're going to learn about cooking verbs. Cooking verbs are the actions we take in the kitchen to prepare food. Boil. Boil. Boiling means to heat water until you see bubbles, like when we cook pasta or potatoes. Pour. Pour. Pour means to let liquid flow from one container to another. Fry. Fry. Fry means to cook food in hot oil. Bake. Bake. Bake means to cook food in the oven, like cookies or cakes. Mix. Mix. Mix means to combine different ingredients together. Peel. Peel. Peel means to remove the skin from fruits or vegetables. Grill. Grill. Grill means to cook food over an open flame or hot coals, usually on a flat metal frame. Knead. Knead. Knead means to press and fold dough with your hands to make it soft. Grate. Grate. Grate means to rub food against a grater to make small pieces, like cheese. Cut. Cut. Cut means to use a knife to make food into smaller pieces. Chop. Chop. Chop means to cut food into little pieces, like vegetables. Slice. Slice. Slice means to cut food into flat, thin pieces. Dice. Dice. Dice means to cut food into small cubes. Taste. Taste. Taste means to try a small bit of food to see how it tastes. Break. Break. Break means to crack something open, usually an egg. Melt. Melt. Melt means to heat something until it becomes liquid, like butter. Whisk. Whisk. Whisk means to beat ingredients together quickly with a whisk. Spread. Spread. Spread means to cover something with butter or sauce, like spreading jam on bread. Steam. Steam. Steam means to cook food using hot steam from boiling water. Mash. Mash. Mash means to crush food until it's soft and smooth, like mashed potatoes. Grind. Grind. Grind means to crush something into a powder or paste. Stir. Stir. Stir means to move a spoon around in circles to mix things together. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Sprinkle means to lightly spread tiny bits of something, like salt, over food. Rinse. Rinse. Rinse means to wash food with water to clean it. Toast. Toast. Toast means to heat bread to make it brown and crispy. Roast. Roast. Roast means to cook food in an oven or over a fire until it becomes crispy and golden on the outside. Like roasting meat. Simmer. Simmer. Simmer means to cook something slowly over low heat. Strain. Strain. Strain means to pour food through a strainer to remove the liquid and keep the solid parts. Weigh. Weigh. Weigh means to find out how heavy something is by using a scale. Blend. Blend. Blend means to mix things together until they're smooth, like a smoothie. Squeeze. Squeeze. Squeeze means to press something firmly to get liquid or juice out. Sift. Sift. Sift means to put through a sieve to remove lumps or large particles. Roll out. Roll out. Roll out means to use a rolling pin to make dough flat. Like for cookies. You did an amazing job learning all these cooking verbs today. Now you can help out in the kitchen and show off your new skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning.